Good morning, guys. Good morning. Rhett Ellis. A beautiful, beautiful Sunday morning. Just celebrating life here. And I want to just remind us never to underestimate the importance of seizing the moment. Just taking an opportunity, you know. These little opportunities exist to just enjoy life. And just a couple of moments to, you know, take advantage of a beautiful opportunity. It could be a walk in a beautiful forest in the rain, or it could be diving under the kelp like this. I'm just going to show it to you very quickly. Come with me on a quick journey here, guys. So spectacular. I just thought I'd show that to you quickly. I saw the water was really clean and thought I'd dive in and really just get a little bit of life coursing through my veins here. A surge of life, a surge of energy, and nature does that for us, guys. So let's have a final look around. Life, one life, let's live it.